So, hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another programming workout, second of this day, and we will, well, just let's get into it. Start the timer and type away. Okay. Well, nice one. Oh, server, that's what you're doing. Oh, server, turn, oh, this will be strong. Okay. Oh. Okay. It was still horrible, but from 30% we went down to 16. That's improvement. Well, anyway, we are over the time, which means Java time. Next is inheritance. So, what do we have here? Okay, so here we have multi-level, hierarchical, and multiple inherit. Yeah, it does not have it. Sure. Okay, cool. So we have that, and we'll. I think we can go. So code calculation. My calculation extends. Blah blah, and they did new method in here. Super. Okay. Sample code. Super is for accessing the members of the parent class. And invoke the superclass constructor. They call it superclass. Okay, superclass. It's not parent. Oh well. I forgot to stop the timer and it will start the Java thingy. 25 minutes. As a see. Play another music. Okay. And then there are the few inheritances. Okay, so I think I know what to do. That will be this thingy, and it will be not inner class. The next thing is called inheritance. Yeah. So package 8.3 dance go and package run 001. I probably could do it in one file, all of that, right? Probably could. So let's do it. Java class inheritance, and we have a class parent, and here it will. We will do the animal thing. Animal, and it will have a public int number of legs, I guess. Then he will have a class dog extends animal, and this will have a public void. And this will have a public void move. It will take nothing. So then here we will say animal moving, right? Okay, you can do that. And this one will have also we can override thingy, override move, and here we will say south dog moving. Right. So inside it here, posted void main. We will create instances of those classes and run those methods. And we want to show that the parent, you can call the parent thingy, we can override it, which we did in here. So we will create new animal. Animal, and we will create new dog. dog, and we can say animal dot move and dog dot move, right? So we control shift button. How was it? Or just control F then? Run, control shift button. So we will do alt shift then, okay. Two. Okay, so animal is moving and the other one is 2. Okay, cool. And what else do we want to show? Yeah, so multiple inheritance, so we will have a class husky extends dog, and this class will have I don't know. It can have a this, for example. Husky, that's that. And so those are the things which we have, but what is interesting here is the constructor's call as well. So if I do here constructor without a field, okay, yeah, okay, cool. And here I say south animal constructor, right? And I do the same for dog. What I want to show here is that if you create an instance of a dog, it will call the constructor of the superclass, the animal in this case too. So dog constructor, here we go. And we can do the same for dog. So the constructor will be husky constructor. Okay, now I can rerun it. And maybe I can make it more clear. So here will be south, and this will be animal creation. Then here we create a dog. Dog creation and new husky, and we want to extract it to this guy, and here we'll say husky creation. Right, and maybe I can even call this method, for example. Okay, so now I run it, and we see the animal creation. It just calls the animal constructor. But if we create dog, first it calls the animal constructor, then it goes to dog constructor, and then it does the other thing. And if we create the husky, it will call the constructor of a dog, and so on. So basically, what the compiler will do is, if you don't have, it will put this guy, and this is called to the parent constructor. And what we will do in here as well, that we can use by this we can access the methods of parent. So I can say super dot move, and when we are calling the dog moving, which is, where is it? Dog creation. Huh. So the move, it did call the, so dog constructor, and then, oh, my mistake. So we will move you here to the animal. Okay, cool. Now we see the animal is moving, and then the dog is moving, the call to the method, right? And then here I can, by using word super, I can invoke the method of the parent. So here we have the animal moving now. Yeah, and I don't know, I think we went through all of it, so let's check. So extends, yeah. Then, yeah, we did add another method, super. Uh, we did to, oh, accessing the variable too, so we can, so dog, where's the number of legs? Animal has number of legs, so we will say equals 4, for example. And then here, dog, we will say south. And here we will have super dot number of legs. Works. It's putting me to sleep. What is this about? The super keyword we did. Invoking superclass constructor. Okay. We did it. I will not pass the parameters in there. Is a relationship. Yeah, that's the property of class. Instance of keyword. relationship. Sure, here's what we did. So we did this. We didn't show this, but you can do that. This the Java doesn't have at all. Okay, so this was boring. Overriding. Well, I did it in a previous example. So in here, package, and this will be 24 overriding. Oh. I did that in previous chapter. Maybe there are some rules which I'm missing. Fuck you. So what do we have here? Animal, dog extends, and then we have a bark. Cool. And then we have an animal. Move, yeah, and we have a bark, which is good. This will produce following result. B bark, 26. This part of compile error since B reference type animal doesn't. Ah, yeah, because I'm referencing the animal by the superclass. Yeah. Sure. Rules formatted overriding. I have to. It works. I'm forcing myself to read it now. The argument list should be exactly the same as that of the overridden method. Sure, the return type should be the same as subtype. Or subtype. Okay. The access level cannot be more restrictive than the overridden method access level. For example, blah blah blah. Instance methods can be overridden only if they are inherited by the subclass. What do you mean? Instance methods can be overridden only if they are inherited by the subclass. So it kind of makes sense. A method declared final cannot be overridden. Ah, okay, so that's something we could do. Uh, and maybe I can do this in the next run. We did complete the previous one, right? In this, that was the inheritance. Yeah. Method declares that it cannot be overridden, but can be re-declared. Okay, so those rules are interesting. Maybe we should code it next time. If a method cannot be inherited, then it cannot be overridden. Sure. Okay, so maybe private cannot be a subclass within the same package as the instance superclass can override. Oh, and we are over the timeline, so I will at least read this till the end. Subclass within the same package. That is not declared private or final. Sure. A different package can only override the non-final methods declared public or protected. An overriding method can throw any unchecked exception. I never really got, like, um, like the okay, the private I got, and it's like I have seen usage only of, even like in professional setting I have seen only public and uh, private, and the other two modifiers I didn't see that much at all. It's just not used, or it wasn't. Like, oh, I can change the opacity in here. Does it look better? Or maybe it does. Then the black thingy. Oh, I can keep it as it like this. Sure. Does it show on the stream as such? Oh, I'm distracted already. Finished reading. Subclass is a superclass override a subclass method. Subclass in a different package can only override the non-final method. It's declared public or protected. Subclass in different package can only override non-final methods, yes. An overriding method can throw any unchecked exceptions, regardless of whether the overriding method throws exceptions or not. Oh, that's interesting. However, the overriding method should not throw checked exceptions that are new or broader than the ones declared by overriding method. The overriding method can throw narrower or fewer exceptions than the overridden method. Constructors cannot be overridden. Using the super keyword, that's what we did. So animal, then super move, that's getting that, and then yeah, Okay, cool. So I think the overriding will be the next thing to do. So you know what? I'll steal the link, and here we will go to come on, progress, and in here. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Here we go. And now that was what it was. Inheritance. Yeah, inheritance. Commit. Okay, good. So we are over the time limit, which means we are done. That is better than perfect, and I will see you on the next programming workout. Okay, stop recording.